Welcome to Coffee with Ulrik. Benjamin Franklin once said that there are two things in life that are sure, death and taxes. And today I'm going to share some thoughts on estate duty. Estate duty is the tax payable to SARS on the net value of your estate, which is payable within a year of your death. The first 3.5 million rand is not taxable, that's the abatement. After that, 30 million rand is taxed at 20% and above that amount at 25%. The same applies to donations other than the abatement amount. Any bequest to your spouse is free of estate duty, so you don't pay any estate duty to your spouse. On her death or his death, the abatement is doubled to 7 million rand, less any bequests to other people. So 3 thoughts that flow from this. Firstly, if you don't pay SARS within a year, you pay 6% penalty interest. Now, this can be a problem because often it takes longer than a year to determine the exact value of someone's estate. What I'd recommend to executors is to estimate the value of the estate as best as possible within the year and pay estate duty on that amount, and then pay a top-up, if anything, once the exact values are determined. Paying estate duty is a grudge purchase, and to pay penalty interest on top of that is even worse. My second point is consider bequeathing your entire estate to your spouse to avoid having to pay estate duty. Now, you may be concerned about your legacy. There are legal mechanisms that you can put in place to protect you. And finally, consider using donations to reduce your estate to below 30 million. So you pay 20% instead of 25%. Before doing that, please take proper tax planning advice and make sure that you have the cash to pay the donations tax. So those are my thoughts on estate duty. Please comment and engage on this issue. I would appreciate that. And be very careful when planning your estate. Make sure you get proper tax advice because it can be complex and you can pay a lot of tax if you don't do it properly. Thank you.